Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a chocolate explosion box that I have made in Valentine's Day special. First of all, you have to take like this 14 centimeter on both three sides. The next step is to take 12.5 centimeter into 12.5 centimeter into 12.5 centimeter. Cut both sides, all the edges in the four sides, and make like this. This is the second layer. In this video we are going to make 4-layer explosion box, and this is the third layer, which will be the 10.5 centimeter, 10.5 centimeter and 10.5 centimeter. Likewise, we have to cut the four ends here. This is the third layer, and next layer is going to be the fourth layer that I will be showing you the next part of the video. So we have got the three layers. This is the first layer we have made. So we have to take 5 pieces of papers measuring 14 centimeter into 14 centimeter. Here I took the color red with some white hearts on it. Now I'm gonna glue it with white glue Fevicol. After that I'm gonna take the second layer I have made. For the second layer I'm taking 5 papers centimeter, 12.5 centimeter into 12.5 centimeter. That also I have glued. Here I'm going to take the third layer. For that I am taking 5 papers measuring 10.5 centimeter, 10.5 centimeter. After gluing it, I'm gonna make the fourth layer of the explosion box. That will be the smallest one, which will be 7.5 centimeter into 7.5 centimeter into 7.5 centimeter. And here I took a heart shaped card, and I am tracing that shape into the paper in all four sides and cutting them like this. After cutting them, you have to fold like this on all the four sides to get a perfect shape like a box. And here are the all four layers we have made. The first layer is red, the next is green, again red and green. This is the order. Now I'm gonna take a sheet of paper like the measurement is given above, 5 centimeter into 14.7 centimeter into 5 centimeter in all the four sides, and cutting all the 5 centimeter like this and folding them and making a top. Now we have made all the four tops for all the four layers, and next we have to take the chocolate box, which is my favorite part of making the chocolate explosion box, counting the chocolate and making them in a perfect shape. After rearranging the chocolates, we have to take double-sided tape and paste on them. Here I have taken Kit Kat for all the process. This is the easiest method to make a chocolate explosion box. If you like the processing video, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to notify all the other videos that I'm posting recently.